Welcome to Kitchen Khas Season 1 Episode 3. Today we are looking at creating roasted baby potatoes, a yummy delicious side dish. Let's begin by looking at the ingredients. 1 kg baby potatoes, 1 teaspoon salt or to taste, half a teaspoon oregano, half a teaspoon black pepper powder, freshly crushed is better, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of garlic flakes and 2 spoons of neutral flavored oil. So let's take a look as to what we need to do with respect to the preparation of the potatoes. This is 1 kg potatoes that I have, which are thoroughly washed, cleaned. Along with that, I have the salt, the black pepper, the red chili flakes, oregano, garlic flakes, and 2 tablespoons of neutral flavored oil. To begin with, what we need to do is, after you have thoroughly washed and dried the potatoes, what you need to do is take a fork and pierce some holes around the potatoes so that it ensures that the flavor can penetrate into the potatoes while they are roasting. Now, just take a regular fork and make about 10 or 12 insertions onto a small potato. In case you're using the larger potatoes, then you can cut them into smaller pieces, but still you need to ensure that you pierce them well before roasting them. Now, my family generally loves to have these potatoes with the skin on. In case your family prefers otherwise, then you can peel the potatoes. Now our potatoes are prepped. Let's start by marinating the potatoes. To begin with, what we will do is we will start by pouring the neutral flavored oil on the potatoes. Post that, we will use the salt. Now here I am using regular table salt. You can use any salt. You can use sea salt. You can use pink salt. Whatever is that you use at home. Nothing specific required. Then you can add in your chili flakes. Freshly crushed black pepper powder. Oregano and garlic flakes. Now here, the herbs that you can use are as per your choice. You could also add rosemary or thyme if you like. If you don't like chili flakes, no need to add them. Herb preparation is totally something that you can do as per your personal choice. While the potatoes marinate, you need to preheat the oven at 200 degrees centigrade. Now, put the marinated potatoes onto a roasting tray or a roasting pan. Let the potatoes marinate at least for 30 minutes so that the oil can transfer the flavor of the herbs into the potatoes. Please make sure that you lay the potatoes flat in a single layer on the roasting pan. Roast the potatoes in the preheated oven at 200 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. You can check the readiness with the help of a fork. Once these are ready to serve, you can use it as a side dish, you can use it as an appetizer, or you can even enjoy it as an evening snack. These are delicious roasted herbed potatoes ready for you to enjoy. If you like the recipe, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you soon. Bye-bye.